Are you a New York homeowner looking to lower your monthly payment, tap into your home's equity, or pay off your loan faster? Whether you're looking to reduce your monthly housing costs, consolidate high-interest debt, or finally fund that home renovation project, refinancing your mortgage could be the key. A mortgage refinance can be a powerful financial tool. Refinancing replaces your current mortgage with a new one, potentially offering a lower interest rate, a different loan term, or the ability to cash out your home's equity. In a high-cost market like New York, even a small rate reduction can lead to significant savings. Hello, I'm Shantanu. I'm a local mortgage professional specializing in helping New York homeowners navigate the complexities of refinancing. I can analyze your current loan and financial goals to find a solution that works for you. Don't miss out on potential savings. Visit my website today to learn more and see if refinancing is right for you. A better mortgage payment could be waiting. Get started today. Visit go.shantanu.us/apply. That is go.shantanu.us/apply. NMLS 1677482.